Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and it feels instantly wrapped in tranquility. Lush green walls rise around you, soft lighting casts a warm glow, and comfortable seating invites you to linger. This isn't just a patio, it's your private sanctuary, your cozy hideaway, your peaceful escape from the world. Today, we're exploring over 100 privacy patio ideas for 2026, featuring cozy backyard hideaways, stylish screens, and stunning green wall designs. Whether you have a compact urban balcony or a sprawling suburban yard, these inspiring concepts show how intentional privacy design can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful retreat that feels both intimate and expansive. As we wander through these beautiful privacy patios, notice how the most inviting spaces balance seclusion with openness. Tall bamboo screens soften boundaries while allowing light and air to flow. Weaving walls bring nature closer, creating privacy that breathes. Climbing vines on trellises add fragrance and seasonal color while defining your space. You'll see how lighting transforms these private zones from daytime retreats into evening sanctuaries. String lights woven through screens cast a magical glow. Recessed LEDs highlight textures. Lanterns create intimate pools of light. These aren't just functional additions, they're design elements that extend the magic of your private patio well into the night. Materials tell a story too. Natural bamboo brings warmth and sustainability. Weathered wood adds rustic charm. Sleek metal offers contemporary edge. And when combined with thoughtful plantings, tropical ferns for lushness, ornamental grasses for movement, climbing jasmine for fragrance, these elements create layers of privacy that feel intentional, not isolating. The magic lies in the details. Layered plantings that filter views while allowing light, modular screens that adapt to your needs, integrated irrigation that keeps greenery thriving with minimal effort. Every choice reflects intention, creating a patio that doesn't just enclose it in chance. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your patio feel like a true hideaway. Would you choose the romantic charm of a trellis heavy with climbing roses? Or does your heart lean toward sleek modern screens with integrated vertical gardens? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love quiet mornings with coffee? A cozy seating nook surrounded by lush greenery offers the perfect retreat. Do you entertain often? Modular privacy screens that open and close create flexible spaces for gatherings. Do you value sustainability? Native plants and reclaimed materials honor the environment while creating beauty. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the lush abundance of a tropical privacy wall? The structured elegance of contemporary slat screens? The peaceful simplicity of layered ornamental grasses? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional privacy design that balances aesthetics with function. If these privacy patio ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the private retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of privacy patio inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how your cozy backyard hideaway is closer than you think.